Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to see Spotify 20, your party of the years, and check your all-time Spotify listening history. Spotify launched this feature for its 20th anniversary, and it shows things like your first day on Spotify, your first streamed song, total unique songs listened to, your all-time most streamed artist, and more. It's a mobile-only in-app experience. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. On the home page, look for Spotify 20, your party of the years. If you see it, tap on it. If it's not showing on the home page, tap search and type Spotify 20 or party of the years, then select the Spotify 20 result. Now tap Begin to start your music history recap. From here, Spotify will show your first day on the platform, how many songs you've listened to, your first streamed song, your all-time hits, your top artist, and your total listening highlights. You may also see an all-time top songs playlist. Spotify says this feature includes a playlist based on your long-term listening history. If you want to keep the playlist, tap Save to Library. At the end, you can tap Share to post your Spotify 20 results, or tap Restart to watch it again. If you still don't see it in the app, open your mobile browser and visit spotify.com/20, then log into your account. That's it. This is how you can check Spotify 20, your party of the years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.